Hi guys, Ralph here. I'll do a little quick video about my setup and just show you around the garage and how exactly what sort of equipment I'm actually dealing with. Obviously I'm not technically and over the top with gadgets and whatevers, so I'll show you exactly what I have to use. I mean, basically the phone is what I use for the camera, which is up here, which is the Samsung S7 Edge. So it's not a bad camera. It goes up to 4K at least, probably more, I don't know. But I don't need to do that much for YouTube anyway, so... Right, let me just show you a bit round. Right, coming off the mount. Mount is just some cheap thing I found lying around. Bit of lighting from, old LED lights with a couple of pieces of tape on them to diffuse it a little bit. And the mat's obviously here. It's nothing, I can't say I've got tons of stuff anyway, but this is as much as I film. If you wanted to know what that was in the corner of the first few films, yeah, soldering iron in case you need it. A man who's not afraid to say he has makeup brushes, but I bloody need them for cleaning stuff up. Other bits and bats for doing all the cleaning projects and stuff. Also, there you go. I'm a keen Trekkie. There you go. Get on with it. Almost like Star Wars in case. Alright on both sides. Just noticed I've got a visitor. Since I'm in the garage, I happen to have got, yes, somebody watching. So that's I'm not the best with spiders, not the worst either. So, right, I also have a little bit of a test rig over here. Basically, it's an old desk that managed to get an old TV. Well, not oldish, but it has a hell of a lot of connections on the back of it. So quite easy to fit up. Quite a few connectors to test things all at the same time. There's one for the PlayStation video coming up soon. With the Xbox. And for testing the PCs. Audio in case I need it. I was going to do other bits and bats from there. If not, drag the telly off the wall and off I go. And the PC I've got down here is just obviously just in case. So this is I've got one in the house which is a lot better, which is advertisement. Z270X motherboard in there with a different case. Water cooled with a Corsair. Graphics card, yada yada yada. Well, yeah, there's a graphics card there. What's in the computer upstairs? This hasn't. This has got an older motherboard inside it. I mean, where have you got here? This isn't the motherboard that comes in the box, but this is what was in my computer last time. So this is last generation. In here is a generation before, but I need to swap that out so I can do a testing and de-rigging video on that one anyway. We've been having the Gigabyte GeForce 970. I'm actually going to water cool it. I bought this little gadget from Corsair themselves, and I'm going to stick on a H60 water cooler as a graphics card. I mean, a lot of you might know that I play Elite Dangerous quite a bit, so I'm going to play that a little bit faster and harder than what I can. But yeah, there's not much else in here. There's a pile of the computers that I managed to accrue over the past few months. Bags of bits and bats, laptop. What we got? There's a few hard drives of mine in here. And a few others what I got from Freegal, bits and bats. You don't really use floppy drives anymore, but just in case I need it, I haven't got a 5.25 drive, but I haven't got any discs anyway. Another bag in there for gubbins, but yeah, this is as much technical as what I have. And I've also got in here. Oh, hold on. I've lost my audience. I'll be hanging around somewhere. I've got lots of other toys and bits and bats in here. You can see a meerkat in there. Not a keen meerkat collector, but when they're available. I haven't got them all in there, but I've got quite a few. I mean, no, I'm not a cushion collector, but it's something that our the missus wanted putting in here. We don't use it anymore. Like I say, I'm a Star Trek fan. The Eagle Moss collection there. I'm considering doing a video on the Eagle Moss collection, because there's quite a few out at the moment. There's about 130 or something of the proper ones, and then a few more of the specials. In the box on here I've got the original Frontier game and some Lego, other bits and bats, like 7 down there. I mean, also I wouldn't mind doing I would like doing the models and stuff, but I've also got the only model I've got left to do is a Space 1999 Eagle, which that might be a summer project to do. So yeah, that's the garage for you. And that's all there is to it, really. I hope that was a little bit informative, a little bit. I'm not doing a strip down today anyway, but I'll see what I can do. Maybe drag one of these boxes out, see what they got in there. 'Cause I know there's lots of other goodies and stuff inside the boxes, like discs or operating systems, booklets. So we'll have a strip down of them, I think, and see what's in them, what I've actually got. So thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, maybe support me on Patreon. There's a link in the description below. Below. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.